We are here for varied math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 math. We're going to start with chapter 5 lesson Pythagorean theorem. We're going to start with the chapter Pythagorean theorem. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is Pythagorean theorem. Find the length of the hypotenuse. What is the length of the hypotenuse? So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, that is c square equal to square plus b square. C is the hypotenuse, the height. So hypotenuse equals the sum of the length of the other two sides, right? So you are given the other two sides, you need to find it. C, that is 9 square plus 12 square equals c square. So c equals 15. The correct option is 15. Let's just start with the test questions. So you are given the other two sides, we need to find the hypotenuse. So that is c square equals 15 square plus 8 square. 8 square is 64 and 15 square is 120. I think 15 square is not 125. That is 225. So 225, just add 225 plus 64 is 289, and you have to square root 889. That then equals c equals 17. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 17 meters. So let's just evaluate C. C square equals 4 square plus 3 square. That is 16 plus 9. That is 25. C equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 5 feet. What is the length of the hypotenuse? So which is the correct option? That is C square equals 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36. That C square equals 100, so C equals 10. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 10 feet. What is the length of the hypotenuse? So that is C square equals 12 square plus 16 square. 12 square is 144 and 16 square is 256. So let's just add them and evaluate it for 256 plus 144. The correct option is 20 centimeters. C equals 20. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. You will say, let's just move on to next lesson. Pythagorean theorem find the missing leg length. Now we have to find the missing leg length, not only the hypotenuse, but whichever the length is missing, we have to find. Let's just start with the test questions. The length of the missing leg. So we need to find the B. So we know that C square equals A square plus B square. C is 15. A is 9. We need to find the value of B. Move 9 square other sides. 15 square is 225 minus 81 equals B square. Let me just subtract. 225 minus 81, that equals 144 equals B square. So B equals 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 12. Okay, what is the length of the missing leg? We need to find the value of A. That is B square equals A square plus C. Sorry. C square equals A square plus B square. C is 10. 10 square equals A square plus 8 square. 100 minus 64 equals A square. So A equals 36. That equals 6 inches. Option number A square is 36. So A equals 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. We need to find the B. So that is B square equals A square plus B square. 5 square equals 4 square plus B square. So B square equals 25 minus 16. That is 9. 9 equals B square. So B equals That is B equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the missing leg? So we need to find the B. So we know that the Pythagorean theorem states C square equals A square plus B square. C square is 17, A is 8 square plus B. So 17 square is 289 minus 64 equals B square. So B square equals 225. So B equals 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. B equals 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 15. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself every day. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is Pythagorean theorem find the parameter. What is the parameter? Let's just start with the test questions. is the parameter. So the parameter is you need to add all the side lengths. So let's just find the third length so you can add them and calculate the parameter that is c square equals 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25, 144. That is 169. So c equals 13. You need to calculate the parameter, just add all the side lengths. 15 plus 5 plus 12. That is 30 kilometers. Option number one is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. What is the parameter? Let's just calculate the side length. That is 5 square equals 4 square plus a square. A square equals 25 minus 16. That is 9. So a equals 3. So 5 and 4, 9 and 12 meters. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the diameter? Let's just calculate the minimum side length and then we'll calculate the. That is 12 square plus 9 square. That is 144 plus 81. C square is 225. That is 225. 144 plus 81 is 225. And 225 is, oh, we need to calculate the parameter, not the side length, sorry. So that is 50. Let's just add 15 plus 12 plus 9. 36. It is option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 36 miles. Let's just calculate the third sideline so that we can calculate the parameters. So that is c square equals a square plus b square. 17 square equals 8 square plus b square. So b square equals 289 minus 64. So b equals 15. We need to calculate the parameter at 17 plus 8 plus 25. So which is the correct option? 15, 15. That is 40 hours. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete everything by yourself. I would say, let's just move on to next lesson. Let's check the converse of Pythagorean theorem. Is it right? Angle triangle. A triangle has sides 5 meter, 12 meter, and 13 meter is at a right triangle. So how do we see if it is a right triangle? The longest side is always the C. Like the hypotenuse is always the longest line. So C square equals A square plus B square. 13 square equals 12 square plus 5 square. 13 square is 144 plus 25. 169. 5 plus 4 is 9. So see, both sides are exactly equal. So that means yes, that is a right triangle. Option number one is the correct option. Yes, it is. That is 17 square equals 15 square plus 8 square. 289 equals 225 plus 64. So 280 the both sides are exactly equal, so yes, it is a right triangle. A triangle has side length of 11 feet, 15 feet, and 17 feet. Is it a right triangle? Which is the correct option? Mm, no, that is not the right one. Right option number two is the correct option. A right triangle has sides with side length of 3, 4, and 5. Is it a right triangle? Yes, it is a right triangle. A triangle has side length of 3 meters, 3 meters, and 5 meters. What is the side? Is it a right triangle? No, that is not the right triangle. Option number two is the correct option. That is 144 plus 81. Yes, that is a right angle triangle. Option number one is the correct option. Yes, it is a right triangle. Option number one is the correct option. A triangle has a side length 4, 4, and 7 kilometers. Is it a right triangle? No, that is not a right triangle. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself here today. So we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is Pythagorean theorem. The lessons we have covered today are Pythagorean theorem, find the length of the hypotenuse, Pythagorean theorem, find the missing leg length, Pythagorean, find the parameter, and converse of Pythagorean theorem is a right angle triangle. Please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lesson we just did. That is your homework until next session. So you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Yeah, then that's all for today.